Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can enable cash on delivery on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products. You're going to find customers, content, analytics, and also marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, here you're going to find apps. And here in the bottom, you're going to find settings. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkouts, customer accounts, and so on. Go ahead and click on payment. And then once you're here in the payment section, here you're going to find payments providers, supported payment method. You can add any payment method from here. You're going to find payment capture method. So scroll a little bit down and then here you're going to find manual payment methods. So just go ahead and click on manual payment method right here. And then here you're going to find create custom payment method, bank deposit, money order. And lastly, here you're going to find cash on delivery or COD. So give it a click and then right here, as you can see guys, you can set up cash on delivery. Right here, you can add some additional details. This displays to customers when they're choosing a payment method. And then here you're going to find the payment instructions displays to customers after they place an order with this payment method. So here in the bottom, you're going to find activate cash on delivery. Just go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to be activated. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.